Welcome back to the channel. I have a product I've been wanting to check out for a really long time. It is a weighted blanket, also known as a therapy blanket. Now, I've heard a lot on social media about weighted blankets, so I'm really eager to try this one out. These blankets are supposed to reduce anxiety, stress, and help those with insomnia, or claims that it even helps with autism or ADHD as well. They're becoming more popular now, and some say almost anyone can benefit from using a weighted blanket. There are claims that using these weighted blankets will increase levels of melatonin and serotonin, which makes a restful sleep. Alright, so let's open this up. This is the SUNMERIT weighted blanket. This is 15 pounds, so it also just feels a little bit heavier than that. Oof. Maybe because I've never held a weighted blanket before. But you're probably just not expecting it to be heavy like I am at the moment. This one is a twin size. It's 48 inches by 72 inches. And they come in all different types of sizes, some with heavier weights as well. This also comes in a nice gray color in addition to the white I have here. So let me get this undone. Dang. It's really soft. Move this out of the way. Gonna spread it out. Alright, so before I turn this over and get it all spread out, on the tag it does mention that you hand wash with cold water. You do not soak or bleach. Do not use an iron. Do not tumble dry, and do not dry clean. On the back, the filling inside is glass beads. They're not lead, and they're 100% polyester, and the fabric is 100% cotton. That's why it's so soft. Alright, so here it is spread out on the bed. It is very soft, and I'll show you in a minute when I snuggle with it what it really feels like when you're underneath it. This one in particular is 15 pounds. The general recommendation is to use one that is about 10% or 15% of your body weight, but some people have deviated from that recommendation since they would find 10% of their body weight a little bit too much. This one, like I said, is 15 pounds. Alright, so here's a closer look at the blanket itself. Looks very well constructed. You see all the pleats and sewn. You know that you're not going to have issues with the beads coming out. I was looking to make sure that wouldn't happen, but each individual square has its own beads on the inside. And you can sort of see that when you look it up. If you put it up to the light, you could see the little groups of beads. But not sure if you can see them now, but they're all like lumped right here. Oof, here. The beads are soft. It kind of feels like sand, if anything. Got some nice sand in there. Other than that, it's really soft, constructed very well. Very nice weighted blanket. Alright, so here I am with my blanket, and right off the bat, I already feel a lot sleepier than I normally do when I first enter my bed. And I've been up for a while, so this kind of makes me want to take a nap. It is weighted, and you can definitely tell the difference between that and like your normal regular comforter. And of course, my experience might be a little bit different from yours depending on who you are and what you usually do before, during, and while you're in bed. You could also use this as a blanket to snuggle up with you while you're on the couch or you're watching TV or something. I would think that's a very good use for this as well. It's very warm, very comfortable, very soft. I don't exactly suffer from anything like anxiety, but I do stress out a lot, and this would be great for those college students that are getting up there on their insomnia and trying to get work done, but also want to sleep at the same time. So great for when they're in bed, trying to decompress after finals or midterms or something like that. Totally recommend that. And of course, it's supposedly great for autism and ADHD, and I do have a nephew with ADHD, and I think this would be very interesting to see how he reacts to having a blanket like this. So I will update the description section below after I've used this for a while to let you know how I feel, if there's anything changed like my sleep or if my stress is reduced. Definitely be sure to come back, check the description section, and you will find out. Alright, so that is the SUNMERIT weighted blanket. This is the 15-pound white blanket version. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.